Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the iPhone discoverable and the PC ready to connect. On the iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot and confirm the hotspot name and password so you can type it on the PC. Make sure the PC's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios are enabled, and temporarily disable other adapters like Ethernet if they conflict. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and on the hotspot screen so the PC can see it quickly. This reduces pairing errors and speeds the next steps. Now you choose the connection method that fits. For Wi-Fi, open the PC network list, pick the iPhone SSID and enter the hotspot password. That's fastest for most tasks. For a wired link, plug the lightning cable into the PC, tap Trust on the iPhone and select the iPhone as a network adapter in Windows Network settings. If Wi-Fi or USB aren't options, pair via Bluetooth in Bluetooth settings on both devices. Then select the iPhone as the network source on the PC. Finish by verifying real internet access. Open a browser and load a page, then check the PC's network status for an assigned IP address to confirm routing. If you hit problems, toggle the iPhone hotspot off and on, disable and re-enable PC Wi-Fi, or unplug and replug the USB cable. Simple resets often clear the issue. Make sure both devices have recent updates. If nothing works, reset iPhone network settings as a last resort and retry the steps to rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.